Lifeline Friday. Nole mwa. Yeah. Forget the other punchlines, that's what I speed to your lifelines. Okumbunona bunda. Digested and it to give you life. Okuimanezi okubunda. I'm not trying to prove I'm the best rapper alive. Every time this series can't call real life stories, use it to impact a life. I'm definitely not where I wish to be, but I'm grateful. Apparently I'm not where I used to be. One not grateful. The pursuit of purpose book a very long journey. And I forgot I'm the good, the bad, and the ugly. Many people get promised to get heaven and net, Nazuki so give me. So many nights at bed, I cried asking Lord, did you really call me? I question missing at the world, got my night bouquet by the way we love. But I'm still wondering how I'm getting so much hate in the place of love. Can't believe how people stay true to a lie to pull down another brother. The painful part of betrayal is that it's not done by a stranger. See, I had so much bitterness in my heart. It was so heavy, I was down in a depression. Honestly, that thing would have killed me. But thank God for Jesus. Prayer points in my nachi, I'm gonna die by fire. Vindicates me, oh Lord, my father, expose my enemies. But the Holy Spirit was constraining me. He told me, bless those who persecute you, pray for those who intentionally hurt you. Hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Magachi, spraying this prayer with tears rolling down my eyes. And the result was a peace that I could not explain. If you're going through similar situation, I want to get rid of the pain. Getting out, I'm the Love is the answer. Cheer.